and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys love the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Hit on that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload a new video. Like today's video, comment down below and share this video with your friends and family. So guys, people are already aware of the benefits of onion oil, especially with the rising searches on YouTube and DIY hacks. But these remedies and hacks can be cumbersome and very laborious. Hence, Lotus Botanicals has launched their red onion range as a contemporary solution to the traditional DIY remedies. So guys, there are a variety of benefits of red onion. The first one is it minimizes thinning, breakage and falling of hair. Second, it nourishes hair follicle and restores lost nutrients to the scalp, and it promotes smoother, thicker and glossier hair. And it also strengthens hair from its roots and it restores healthy appearance and texture. It also retains natural hair protein. And lastly, it takes away frizziness, tangles and knots. So guys, today I will be talking about these two products from Lotus Botanicals. So this is their red onion hair fall control hair oil, and this one is their red onion hair fall control shampoo. Now guys, both these products are paraben, silicone and mineral oil free, vegan and cruelty free. These products are pH balanced and recyclable. So guys, let's begin with their oil. So this oil revives dull, damaged and unhealthy hair. It is infused with the astounding properties of red onion and ginseng. Its nutritive formula reaches deep to strengthen the strands, reducing hair loss and enhancing the quality of hair. And this oil is suitable for all hair types. Guys, the price of this hair oil is 595 rupees. So let's talk about the packaging, guys. I love the packaging. It is very attractive. The hair oil comes in this green clear bottle. It's a plastic bottle which is recyclable. I love this nozzle. You can just directly pour like this and it won't get messy. I really like the texture of this oil. It is very light and I also love the way it smells. The way to use or apply this oil is apply a small amount on damp or dry hair from scalp to end. Massage gently and leave for at least 1 hour. And then you can follow up with their red onion hair fall control shampoo. Once you start using this oil, you'll see that this oil nourishes the scalp, conditions and strengthens your hair while making it soft and smooth. Now guys, preserve your precious hair and prevent it from thinning with Lotus Botanicals Red Onion Hair Fall Control Shampoo. It is formulated to nourish, penetrates deep to strengthen the roots, the result of which is reduced hair loss and thick and healthy tresses. A storehouse of sulfur, red onions are rich in antibacterial and antifungal properties that keep hair loss at bay. Again, this shampoo is suitable for all hair types. So the cost of this shampoo is 495 rupees, guys. And again, this shampoo comes in a green see-through clear bottle. Okay, we have a pump dispenser over here. Love the texture of this shampoo. It is very lightweight. It does a very good job of cleaning my scalp thoroughly. It cleans my hair very nicely. It gets rid of all the dirt and grime and all the pollutants. It leaves my hair really soft and smooth. The way to use this shampoo is gently massage into wet hair and scalp with fingertips to work into lather. Rinse thoroughly and follow up with Lotus Botanicals Red Onion Nutritive Hair Conditioner. I love the way this shampoo makes my hair appear. My hair appears and feels very healthy, smooth, soft and silky. So guys, basically if you suffer from a lot of hair breakage, hair thinning or hair fall, then these two products from Lotus Botanicals are the ones that I will highly recommend. So make sure to check out these products, guys. I will be leaving the link in the info bar, and I really hope that you enjoyed watching today's video, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.